Just doing a service call here on this snowblower. First thing I'm doing is automatically draining the gas, just because it has a bad smell to it. Right now I'm just draining it from the bottom of the carb, then we'll put some fresh premium in there and try starting her up before we touch anything else. But that might just do it, we'll see. Look at that gas. So hopefully that's what's wrong. We'll go over now and grab some fresh gas. Stabilizer. Like I said, I'm just draining it from the carb. That little hole right there. We'll just put this screw right back up in there and add your gas. Alright guys, here goes nothing. Let's see if we can start her. Showed up, drain the gas. Our first thing is going to be try starter. If she doesn't start, then we'll check the plug and go from there. Now we're gonna pop the pull cord off, see if we can fix that. Guys, I just want to show you, so if your rope pops out of here, your handle breaks and you have to replace the rope and handle, what I do is just rip the old cord right out. And then you twist this thing to where you feel the way of the tension. Not the other way, because it won't tension up. So you twist it all the way to about how long you think your rope is. And then you try to shove something in here so this can't twist back. And then you'll be able to line this hole up with that hole. And feed it through this way. Tie a little knot. And then just let it retract. And this thing will go all the way back. And then you got your... It's all set. Okay guys, we got the pull cord all back on. Very simple process. Now we're gonna see if we can get her started and run correctly.